up guys, welcome back to Done Fitness. It's been a while. So now that we're back, I did a little IG poll prior to this asking about what kind of workout videos you guys want me to do. So the one that I picked up for today, resistance band. We're gonna use a resistance band today and we're gonna do a whole follow along video. Alright, so with this follow along video, we have 6 exercises: push up, bicep curls, tricep extensions, chest flies, back rows, and squat to overhead press. So with this exercise, 30 seconds each, 5 seconds rest, and then we get to the next one, and that's how it's gonna go. Ready, go. Next one, I got bicep curls. So, just stop, go. Julian is here. Resistance band is not as easy as you think it is. No joke, no joke. Extensions. Oh, alright, ready? Alright, let's go. If you wonder why we look tired, it's actually our second set of filming. Technically your first set. It's probably the easiest one among all. To me at least, this one is the easiest one. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back rows. Back rows to Julius. Squats and overhead press. So get into position. Okay. Ready. Last one guys, keep going. Four, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Right, that's the first set of our resistance follow along workout. You guys have 2 more sets to go. Once again, thank you for watching our video. This has been Done Fitness. I'm Exo Breezy. This is Bryce. Once again and always, it's not over until it's done. Let's go.